Let's see a note. When two actions take place in the past, we use had plus V3 for the first action and the other action will be in simple past. Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Rani Devara English Lit. We are running on tenses. Playlist will be there in this channel and the previous videos links will be there in the description of this video. If you are interested, you can check out. So today we are going to talk about past perfect tense. So let's get into the details. Well, so we are going to talk about past perfect tense right now. It indicates an action that happened before another action in the past. It indicates an action that happened before another action in the past. So keywords: when, before, after, already and by the time. So these are the keywords of past perfect tense. Okay, well, structure: subject, had, V3, other words. So in present perfect tense, have, has, but here had, helping verb is here had. So for all subjects, first person singulars, plurals, second person singulars, plurals, and third person singulars and plurals, and singular names and plural names for all subjects, so we have to use only had. So here is no confusion about helping verb in this past perfect tense. So next, V3, past participle form and other words. So let us see some examples of past perfect tense. He had gone to his village. He had gone to his village. And I had completed my work by this time yesterday. So I had completed my work by this time yesterday. In past continuous, we have seen by this time yesterday. It indicates which was continuing by this time yesterday, but here it was already completed. It was already completed. So I had completed by this time yesterday. So I hope you understand. So next, negative sentence. Structure: subject, had, not, V3 and other words. Let's see an example. They had not completed their work by this time yesterday. So see this, here subject there, but we have written had. So whatever subject it may be, we can write had. So here not, this is negative sentence, right? So not completed their work by this time yesterday, which means they did not complete by this time that work. So we can use past continuous, they were working. So we can write they were working. So they had not completed their work by this time yesterday. This is the example of negative sentence of past perfect tense. So let's see a note. When two actions take place in the past, we use had plus V3 for the first action and the other action will be in simple past. We use had plus V3 for the first action and the other action will be in simple past. So let's see some examples. The train had left when I reached the station. So these two actions were already happened in the past. So the train had left when I reached the station. So by the time I reached the station, the train had left from the station. So the teacher had completed the lesson, so before I went out. So the teacher already had completed that lesson before I went out. This is about past perfect tense. So you also create some examples and let me know in the comment section. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can feel free to ask me. So we'll meet you again with another useful video. Until then, keep watching and practicing. Thank you.